Director Identification Number, or Director ID for short, is the first service being introduced on the Australian Business Registry Services. Director IDs are a unique identifier that you'll apply for once and keep forever. Even if you change companies, stop being a director, change your name, or move interstate or overseas. Director IDs are being introduced to verify the identity of directors and help prevent the use of false and fraudulent director identities. Applying for a director ID is free, and you'll need one if you're already a director or intend to become a director of a company or other body corporate registered under the Corporations Act most relevant to you. Just like applying for a tax file number, only you can apply for your own director ID, so you can verify your identity with us. No one can apply for you. You can apply online now by completing these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Visit abrs.gov.au/Director ID Apply and click the Apply Now with MyGovID button and log in. MyGovID is an app you download that lets you prove who you are when using government online services. If you don't have a MyGovID, you'll need to set one up to a standard or strong identity strength. It's important to note that MyGovID is not the same thing as your MyGov account. To set up your MyGovID, visit the website at mygovid.gov.au. For Step 2, you'll need to answer some questions that will allow us to verify your identity and link it to your ATO record. The fastest way to complete this step is to provide us with your tax file number and residential address, as held in ATO records. For Step 3, you need to complete a Director ID application form, which should take you less than 5 minutes. Once you've completed it and clicked Submit, we'll instantly issue you with your Director ID on screen. If you can't apply for your Director ID online, we have non-digital options you can use. You should give your Director ID to your agent and the person responsible for managing your company's records to keep on file.